Well, as you can tell, I got a 2001 Ford F-150 and the U-joints are bad. So I've been putting this off, but I just can't put it off no more, and I just had to tackle it, even though it's cold outside. So anyway, we're going to work on this and see if we can get it right. Well, the first thing I did was I marked the drive shaft so I could make sure when I put it back, I put it in the right spot. And so then I took it off. Okay, I think these are called snap rings. Clips, or whatever you want to call them. So, spray some of that Big Shot in there. And now let's try to, let me get a hammer. The night before, I sprayed some Big Shot, it's a lubrication on these snap rings. And boy, I was glad I did, because they was really no problem to take off. I haven't replaced a lot of U-joints in my life. Probably did 3, and they was mostly when I was younger. So anyway, I was having to kind of learn again, but it all came back to me. Well, it's moving. Let's see if we can get this bad boy out of here. Wow, that was way easier than I thought it'd be. See? It's way easier than I thought it'd be. Well, let me tell you how this went. I took a socket and beat them out. But let me tell you what, the first one wasn't that bad at all. But the back one, oh my gosh, it was horrible. And I thought I would never get it off. I actually never did beat it completely out. I had to take a grinder with a cutoff blade and literally cut it out. And I'm telling you, I beat on that thing for over an hour. I even had to take a break, man. I was like, I was afraid I was going to ruin the drive shaft, but it finally came out. And wow, it drove me crazy. One of the hardest ones I've ever done, literally, I'm telling you. Well, I kept moving the tire until the back axle was moving the drive shaft wheel there to where it needed to be, where I had it marked. It worked out really well. So. Alright, so I've got her in. I've slid that in. And I torqued it to 70 pounds torque on the nuts. And that's what I looked up on the internet, and that's what it said do. So that's it. So let's take her down and see if she rides. she seems to be driving awesome. So maybe she's them U joints was the problem. I believe they were. But I think they fixed the problem, so I'm happy. Man, that one U joint, man, it gave me fits. But you know what? It all worked out. And anyway, I'm glad this little project's done. Had a beautiful day to do it in. It's absolutely, it's actually January the 2nd, I believe. And it's turned out warm, beautiful, and sure a good break from the cold weather. But anyway, I'm just rambling. I'll see you later. God bless you. River jumper out. Hey, make sure you hit that like button if you would. It sure helps me out. And hope to see you on my next adventure. See you.